In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Amazon App Store stock unloading. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, force close the Amazon app and relaunch it. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the search feature to stop working correctly. If that does not help, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Amazon. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If search results are still not loading, sign out of Amazon account and then sign back in. This refreshes your account session and can resolve problems related to sync or authentication errors. You should also disable any VPN, proxy service or ad blocker you may be using, as these can sometimes interfere with Amazon's server and cause loading errors. If possible, try using a different network to see if the issue is related to your internet provider. If the problem continues, Amazon may be experiencing a temporary outage or server issue. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again later. You can also test Amazon in a web browser to see whether the issue is limited to the app. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.